All right, we're going to pick up where we left off from yesterday. This was the one I punched a hole in. Today I'm just going to show fullering in on the four sides and rounding up the face. It's identical process for both sides. I'll just do one. All right, from here, you can kind of get an idea. Now I'll isolate the heat on the face, and it'll push this kind of pooching out that it does, and it'll make the diameter of the face a little bit bigger. And that's why, like, a coal fire is nice for this step. Just put it face down in the fire. Be sure to bring both pairs of tongs over to the hammer so you're not walking back and forth. Turn it. You've got your other pair of tongs handy. Reset the fuller. And there's one side of it. Now, if I usually just go ahead and grind the radius in to the face. I do not forge in the radius. There's one side of a rounding hammer. Tomorrow we can pick back up where we left off today.